Hi, my name is Belinda. I'm a meditation teacher, and welcome to my YouTube channel, which is all about spiritual health and wealth and helping you get rich on the inside through meditation and spiritual practices. So if that sounds good to you, you are definitely in the right place, and I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. Today I want to talk about addiction. In this case, when I'm filming this, recently a documentary called The Social Dilemma has been put out, and what this is looking at is how addictive social media has become, but more so in behind the scenes, how they're using AI to make social media and Google and YouTube that you're watching right now more addictive than ever. It's a really interesting documentary to watch if you haven't seen it. However, my point that I want to make is, how about flipping that coin around, and rather than playing the victim, we learn how to be addicted more to ourselves and be present with ourselves. And I actually created my meditation course a few years ago, and I called it Addicted to Being, because I was sick of being addicted to lots of other things in my life. And I thought, what better thing to be addicted to than my own presence, my being? So we are these things called human beings, right? The human part is our physical aspect that is here in this time and space reality, and that's how we kind of interact with each other. But this is very limited, it's mortal, and it's only one aspect of us. Whereas the being is our eternal aspect that is with us forever, that is unlimited and full of potential. And we're never really taught how to connect with this part. So that's why I call the course Addicted to Being. So we are always remembering ourselves, always coming back to this essence of ourselves and living life from that point. So this requires our presence and attention, and the more that we can strengthen our attention to be fixed on our presence, we're going to become more addicted to ourselves rather than addicted to the outside world. The reason why we're always searching for things outside is we forget that we've got this treasure inside of us, and we feel empty and we feel lost. And so, we go to social media, we get dopamine hits, we're just constantly searching outside to feel good, to try to fill this void. And the only thing that can fill this void inside of us is something that is unlimited, like our being. So I'm really curious about what your thoughts are on social media addiction and this concept of being addicted to your being. I feel that the answer here is to, not throw all these things away, but just really empower ourselves and be like, where do I want my attention to be? And when we're living from this place deep inside of ourselves, we navigate life in such a different way. If this has got you really curious about learning meditation and becoming addicted to being, you can check out some free audio resources on my website. They're linked below, and you may even be interested to dive into the full Addicted to Being course. I would be so delighted to be your meditation teacher and help you live your life in a whole new way. Thanks for watching.